Installing a power distribution board. Align the screw holes on the power distribution board with the screw holes on the node, and then install the power distribution board. Fasten the 5 screws to secure the power distribution board to the node. Connect the cables between the power distribution board and system board. Reinstall the power bus bar. If necessary, reinstall the PCIe riser assembly in the node and reconnect the required PCIe cables to the system board. If necessary, reinstall the GPU air duct. Make sure that all the required cables are routed and connected correctly, and then reinstall the top cover. Reinstall the node into the chassis.